Welcome in a universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey and our topic for today is you have a streak of indiscipline in you. So there must be certain areas where you still can make some kind of change with proper awareness and willpower. So let us know about 6 points and you have to see, you have to gauge whether these are there in your own personality or not. These are known as streaks of indiscipline. The first way to know that you have still left out a streak of indiscipline in yourself is that when you are working, you are just working, you do not know how to stop, and then you are also missing out on your meals. You are working so hard or you are so concentrated in working in your office work that you miss out on your meals, and even if you are ready to have the meals, you'll go in for junk food. You choose to have more of drinks that contain preservatives, and you forget to have water also. So you are using your body for working hard, but you're not feeding it with proper nutrition. You're not giving it the respect that it deserves. So this is one area where if you are not giving proper attention to your body, to when you should have meals, when you should have water, have adequate water every 2 hours. So then this is one area where you should make a change. The second way to know that yes, there is a streak of indiscipline still lying within you is that your relaxation time exceeds your work time. You sit and work, you work with concentration, then you think of taking some rest. But then you keep loitering around and you forget about your work, and your relaxation time goes on and on and on, and you don't come back to your workplace. So this is also one area where you should be really aware of how you are utilizing your time. Have you finished that work? You should have a plan for your day. In fact, you should have plan for half a day, and the second half must be used to complete the incomplete work. That is how you will surely finish your to-do list, which should be short and sweet. So just check out on this area also. The third way to know that yes, there is some kind of streak of indiscipline within you is that you are not exercising at all. It is like you are at home, you are working, you are doing well, but then you don't take out time to exercise at all. You are not moving your body at all. You can, if you are not going to the gym, so what? You can just learn a few yoga exercises or just those physical training exercises, simple exercises that will help you move your body, open up your body. So go in for exercise of some kind every day. And the best part is, a really good idea is to have a constant weight that you would like to maintain. And if you are exceeding that, then check out on what you are eating, what you are drinking. Too much of sugar, aerated drinks must be cancelled out. So that is how you can maintain your constant weight. That will make you feel light and good. When you look good, you feel good. So this is one area you should be really careful about. The fourth way to know that there is a streak of indiscipline in you is that you are still angry and irritated at small things. Anybody comes in front of you, and if they do not behave as you have preconceived notions that this person should behave in a specific way, and if they do not behave in a specific manner, that makes you angry, that irritates you. But then what are the vibes you are exuding? If somebody has really been rude to you, you are still resentful against those people. You just send out hate, you get angry thinking about them. So if this is the case with you, you need to make a change now. Forgive, forget, and move on. Because the universe is only going to check on your vibrations. If you are vibrating in a negative way, then it will not see who did what to you. It will just check on your vibrations, and your vibrations will be negative and low vibrations. So you must take care of your vibrations. Everything is energy. Whatever you are giving out, you are attracting. So if you give out, if you are aligned with virtues, with gratitude, appreciation, love, forgiveness, goodness, compassion, kindness, inspired action, creativity, satisfaction, calmness, meditative mind, what will happen? Peaceful person. What will happen is you are going to exude a certain kind of high vibration, and the same kind of people, calm people, people who have more gratitude, people who love to appreciate you, those are the kinds of people who will come. You will attract them in your own life. So that is how you are going to change your own life. So it is all starting with what you are exuding. Everything is attraction. Don't forget that. So if you feel that this is one area you should make some kind of change, then do it fast. And last but not the least, if you are carrying your mobile to bed every night, and instead of visualizing, instead of concentrating on your visualization techniques and your dreams and desires, or just sitting and meditating in calmness, you are searching this social media and you are too busy with your mobile, then you are not getting adequate sleep. Sleep is really important for your mental and physical health, because the next morning you will feel like you are so relaxed. Then you are also making use of visualization. Before sleeping, you must visualize what kind of life you would like to live. And if you are doing it every day, visualization or imagination is God, as Neville Goddard has said. So you are missing out there. Then you are not getting adequate sleep, so you are not relaxed, you will feel irritated, and lot of healing takes place in your body when you are sleeping. So you are missing out on that also. All your cells are relaxed and they heal when you sleep. So today when you go to sleep, don't carry your mobile to the bed, and just carry on with 5 minutes of meditation and visualize that kind of life you would like to live, and then go off to sleep, and you'll see how your life changes for the better and the best. Always remember that you are the creator of your life. Nobody can create for you in your own life. You are creating by the law of attraction. So whatever you are exuding, you are attracting. You do not attract what you want, you attract what you are. You do not attract what you want, you attract who you are. So who you are, who are you? You must be calm, peaceful, loving, satisfied person, and everything that you have ever desired will come to you, because what you seek is seeking you. You do not have to go looking out for your desires. Just wherever you are, believe that they will manifest and they will come to you. That is how law of attraction works. This is all in this video. Do let me know how you like this video, and if there is any area where you must make a change, do it today. Do it now. Thank you so much, Inner Universe community. It is so beautiful to connect with you. And yes, let me take this opportunity to thank each one of you from the core of my heart. I'm so glad to tell you that all because of your love and support, we have reached 1K subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you to each one of you. I wish you a lot of love, happiness, abundance, prosperity. in your life. Take care of your health. Be good to yourself first. Kindness begins with you. Love yourself. Only then can you give out love to others. Thank you. Keep smiling. Stay safe. Namaste.